Hey everybody, this old dried out flat twist out is definitely in need of some TLC, and it's not quite wash day, but that's okay. The Main Choice has me covered with the Tropical Moringa Duo, now available at Rite Aid. These two products are great to restore your hair, add moisture, and really enhance shine and luster. So with my hair already pre-sectioned off from my previous style, I'm just going to spritz on my restorative spray and then apply the sealing cream starting at the ends and working my way up to the roots. The sealing cream helps to replenish and seal in moisture, making sure that your hair stays nice and moisturized. With my hair coated with the product, I am just going to take my diamond brush to make sure my hair is nice and detangled and then install a chunky flat twist. Again, the Tropical Moringa Duo is perfect to restore moisture in between wash days. So if you want more information about these products, make sure you visit www.themainchoice.com. When I get down to the ends, I'm just going to make sure my hair stays detangled by using my diamond brush and then continue twisting to the ends and then twirl the hair around my finger for just a nice natural curl. And that's it. I'll just repeat these steps for the remainder of my hair. Using the restorative spray, which is to be used on dry previously styled hair, and of course I'm just using my fingers and my hands just to make sure that the product is distributed. Then the sealing cream, followed by my diamond brush to make sure my hair is nice and detangled, and then install my chunky flat twist. And that's it. I have 7 flat twists total, and I'm just going to allow them to set overnight. I'm absolutely loving the Tropical Moringa Duo. It's one of my favorite product collections from the Main Choice because I can restore my hair and restyle it without having to wash it. And it provides great moisture and lasting shine. So the next morning, I'm just going to carefully unravel each twist, and as you can see, the definition is beautiful. My hair feels so soft and moisturized. Being able to use these two products in between wash days is going to allow me to go about 3 or 4 more days before I have to shampoo and condition and do my wash day regimen. Yep, my hair looks and feels so much better. I would definitely recommend these two products if you're looking for something that's going to restore moisture in between your washes. So make sure you check it out. Go to www.themainchoice.com and click on the store locator to find a Rite Aid near you. And here are my finished results. Soft, bouncy waves. Thank you all, as always, so much for watching. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!